Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now, put on gloves, open the strip package, and prepare a clean 50 to 100 ml sample container. Rinse the container with the same water, then collect mid-water, not surface film. Once done, note temperature and time in your notebook so results are comparable. Dip one strip straight down, remove immediately, and shake off excess water in one quick motion. Set a timer for the recommended reaction time. Accuracy depends on prompt. Consistent handling. Once the timer rings, hold the strip next to the chart. Use natural light, not fluorescent bulbs, to avoid color shifts. Match carefully at the specified time. Colors can change after the window closes. Interpret the numeric reading in mg/L and then consider pH and temperature because ammonia toxicity depends on the unionized fraction. If you need repeatability, take 2 strips from the same sample and average the readings, and document both raw values and environmental conditions for later. Finish by logging the reading, date, pH, and temperature. Dispose of the used strip and close the bottle to limit moisture. If ammonia exceeds about 0.5 mg/L, do a partial water change and cut feeding. Repeat tests over 24 hours to confirm trends. If you get inconsistent readings, try a fresh strip from the same lot and check the expiration date. Defective or expired strips are a common cause. Make sure your sample timing and light source were consistent when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.